This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can, enable or simply access the keyboard clipboard on this device. So once you launch the keyboard, you should be able to access the toolbar at the top, and then the toolbar actually contains the shortcut or an icon for the clipboard section. In my case, as you can see, there is no toolbar, just the predictive text option, which can be also true in your case. So today I will show how you can enable the toolbar first. In order to do that, open the General Settings tab, then go for the General Management category, then opt for Samsung Keyboard Settings, and in here find the keyboard toolbar switch and toggle it on. Now, once I will launch the keyboard again, you will see that the toolbar on top of the keyboard itself was successfully activated, and from here simply find the shortcut for clipboard, enter it, and here you have your clipboard available at the tip of your, fingers. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.